You'll love this open floor plan with a wrap-around deck. Neutral gray tones in living area and a wood-burning fireplace. Stainless steel appliances with a new side-by-side refrigerator. Eat at the large breakfast bar with upgraded countertops or kitchen table area. New engineered hardwood floors that will stand the test of time and show no wear and tear for years to come. Backyard with shed and playground set will convey. Large master bedroom with a half bath with lots of natural sunlight pouring in. Full bath and hall has been upgraded and makes this home move-in ready. Water-oriented community of Cedarhurst on the bay is loaded with amenities. Community playground, boat slips available, community pier and a gorgeous community center available for rent to neighborhood residents only. Newly rebuilt with vaulted ceilings.